subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After a long time, HTC has launched its new affordable Wildfire series phone in the Russian market called HTC Wildfire E Plus. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The HTC Wildfire E Plus supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 13-megapixel main camera along with the 5-megapixel macro lens. Under the hood, the HTC Wildfire E Plus comes powered by MediaTek MT6739 chipset paired with PowerVR G8100 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 Undergo edition and it is equipped by a massive 5150 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.9 by 8.8mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The HTC Wildfire E Plus has been priced in Russia at 7,990 Russian rubles. So what do you guys think of this HTC Wildfire E Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.